Google Sheets has some new drop-down options. Now if you want to do a drop-down in a cell, you just select the cell, then you click on Insert, and click on Drop-Down. This side panel will open and you'll be able to create your drop-down list here. For option 1, type what you want in the list, and you can select the color for that list item. And then just keep adding the list items and adding the colors. Click Add Another Item to add more. When you've finished your list and added all your colors, click Done. You can close the side panel, and you'll see when you click the down arrow that your drop-down list is there and each item has the color that you gave it. You can click on the pencil if you want to edit the list again, and this opens the side panel where you can make any changes that you like. And finally, if you want to fill down the list, just go to the cell with the drop-down and hover over the bottom right-hand corner. When the black plus sign appears, click and drag, and it will copy the drop-down list. And you can see how easy it is to select from this drop-down.